P block elements 2, oxides of nitrogen names. How to give names for oxides of nitrogen? So the first oxide of nitrogen is N2O. Oxidation state of nitrogen is in +1. N2O is called dinitrogen oxide. It is called dinitrogen oxide, or it is also called nitrous oxide. And we know it is a laughing gas. This is nitrous acid. Second acid with the molecular formula is NO. Oxidation state of nitrogen in the second oxide is +2, and it is called nitrogen monoxide. Mono means one, or it is also called nitric oxide. And there is one point to remember is that in nitrous acid and nitric acid, valency of nitrogen is +1 in nitrous acid, valency of nitrogen is +2 in nitric acid. So nitrogen lowest valency name usually end with as nitrous. Highest valency name usually end with ike. Nitrous, nitric, like that we have copper 1+ is called mercurous, cuprous. Copper 1+ is called cuprous. Copper 2+ is called cupric. Mercury 1+ is called mercurous. Copper 1+ is called cuprous, and copper 2+ is called cupric. Mercury 1+ is called mercurous. Mercury 2+ is called mercuric. Fe 2+ is called ferrous, and Fe 3+ is called ferric. Sn 2+ is called stannous. Sn 4+ is called stannic. So lowest valency name end with as, highest valency name end with ric. Now the third acid, an important one, N2O3. Oxidation state of nitrogen is N2O3 is 3. First one name is dinitrogen trioxide. Dinitrogen trioxide. 2 nitrogen, dinitrogen, 3 oxygen, trioxide. Nitrogen trioxide. Another one name is nitrogen trioxide. One more name, nitrogen sesquioxide. Nitrogen sesquioxide, or nitrous anhydride. Nitrous anhydride. Nitrous anhydride. What is the meaning of sesquioxide? Sesquioxide. That means one atom is combined with the 1.5 atom of oxygen. One atom is combined with 1.5 atom of oxygen. It is called sesquioxide. So, if two atoms combine with the how many atoms of oxygen? Double the number, double the number. 3 atoms of oxygen means it is called sesquioxide. Sesquioxide. For example, we have 2 for 1 nitrogen, 1.5 oxygen, 2 nitrogen, 3 oxygen. N2O3, nitrogen sesquioxide. Alumina, Al2O3, aluminum sesquioxide. Ferric oxide, iron valency 3, sesquioxide. Arsenic oxide, As2O3, 2,3, sesquioxide. And phosphorus trioxide, P2O3. Antimony oxide, Sp2O3. All these are called sesquioxide. And why it is called nitrous anhydride? Why it is called nitrous anhydride? Anhydride means after loss of one water molecule, that compound is called anhydride. After loss of one water molecule. Acetic acid loss one water molecule gives acetic anhydride. Benzoic acid loss one water molecule gives benzoic anhydride. Sulfur trioxide is the anhydride of water molecule. Anhydride of sulfuric acid. Sulfur trioxide is the anhydride of sulfuric acid. If you add water molecule, you will get the acid. So, acid loss one water molecule. The SO3 is called anhydride. Anhydride of sulfuric acid. Then next, this is called nitrous anhydride. The N2O3, dinitrogen trioxide or nitrogen trioxide, when dissolved in water, it forms nitrous acid, HNO2. It is called nitrous acid. So, nitrous acid loss one water molecule gives N2O3. Nitrous acid loss one water molecule gives N2O3. Therefore, N2O3 is called nitrous anhydride. So, come to the next acid. N2, NO2 and N2O4. You know what is NO2? Nitrogen dioxide is called NO2. Nitrogen dioxide is called NO2. Dinitrogen tetroxide is called N2O4. Dinitrogen tetroxide is called N2O4. Dinitrogen tetroxide, N2O4. NO2 at room temperature, that means at 25 degrees Celsius, it is reddish brown in color. It is reddish brown gaseous substance. It is red in brown gaseous substance. When the brown gas is cooled to minus 11 degrees Celsius. Minus 11 degrees Celsius. First, gases. In gases, we know the space between molecule is more. Mostly there is no attractive force between the molecule in gaseous state. When the gases are cooled, their intermolecular distance is reduced and the gas is converted into liquid. And again cooled to very low temperature, the intermolecular distance is further reduced and finally it forms a solid. That solid is N2O4, dinitrogen tetroxide, which is a colorless solid. Colorless solid. So, nitrogen dioxide, when cooled to very low temperature, the gas molecule is first converted into liquid. Liquid further on cooling gives a colorless solid. N2O4 is a dimer of NO2. N2O4 is a dimer of NO2. And N2O5. N2O5. This is where nitrogen pentoxide, nitrogen pentoxide or dinitrogen pentoxide or dinitrogen pentoxide. So now you know how to give name for the oxides of nitrogen. First oxides of nitrogen is nitrous oxide, dinitrogen oxide, laughing gas. Then NO is called nitrogen monoxide or nitric oxide. N2O3 dinitrogen trioxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen sesquioxide, nitrous anhydride. Why it is called sesquioxide and why it is called nitrous anhydride? You know the meaning. The next acid is nitrogen dioxide or dinitrogen tetroxide. Nitrogen dioxide, on cooling to minus 11 degrees Celsius, it gives a colorless solid. That colorless solid is called dinitrogen tetroxide. Finally, we have nitrogen pentoxide or dinitrogen pentoxide. So, these are the names of oxides of nitrogen. Thank you.